In this video, we listed the 5 best dog camping beds that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Number 1. Yep HHO Long Elevated Pet Bed. The Yep HHO Dog Bed offers a practical and comfortable solution for large and medium-sized dogs, designed for both indoor and outdoor use. Constructed from durable materials such as polyester, mesh, and rubber, this elevated dog bed features a foldable design, allowing for easy setup and storage, making it an ideal travel companion. Its dimensions of 47-inch LX24, WX 9.5 th provide ample space for dogs to relax while keeping them off the ground, protecting them from uncomfortable temperatures and surfaces. The thoughtful design not only promotes a restful environment for pets but also encourages shared moments between dogs and their owners. With a commitment to customer satisfaction, Yep HHO assures professional support within 24 hours for any inquiries or concerns. Number 2. Furhaven Outdoor Dog Bed. The Furhaven Outdoor Travel Dog Bed is designed for large and medium dogs, featuring a convenient carry bag for easy transport. This foldable and washable bed is perfect for crates and kennels, making it an excellent choice for travel with pets. With a cozy design available in a vibrant flame red, true blue color, the bed dimensions measure 39.0-inch LX 27.0, WX 2.0 th, providing ample space for comfort. It is lightweight and made of durable polyester material. The product boasts a 4.4 out of 5-star rating from 1,479 customers and is currently priced at $24.99, reflecting a 7% discount from its list price of $26.99. Availability may vary, with options for lower prices from other sellers, but it is not subject to import fees for international shipping, making it a practical option for pet owners on the go. Number 3. KUDES Dog Bed. The KUDES Pet Sleeping Bag is designed for small to medium-sized dogs, offering versatility and comfort for various outdoor and indoor activities. Measuring approximately 43.3 inches in length and 27.5 inches in width, the bag expands to 58 inches when fully open thanks to its side zipper, making it suitable for use as a bed mat or cushion at home or in the backyard. Made from durable polyester and featuring a soft fleece interior, this sleeping bag is both waterproof and warm, ensuring a cozy environment for your pet. Its safe design includes zippers and a drawstring to keep your dog secure, while its portability is enhanced by a travel-friendly carry bag for easy storage and transport. Additionally, it is machine washable, ensuring convenience for pet owners. Ideal for travel, hiking, camping, and other outdoor activities, it can also serve as a cozy blanket or mat at home. Number 4. Elevated Dog Bed. The Petmaker Raised Dog Bed is designed for pets of all breed sizes, accommodating animals weighing up to 50 pounds. This versatile dog bed features a large mesh panel that enhances ventilation and helps regulate your pet's body temperature, providing comfort by keeping them off hot surfaces or cold floors. Suitable for both indoor and outdoor use, the bed is constructed from weather-resistant materials, including a durable canvas and coated steel, and is equipped with non-slip rubber feet for stability. For added convenience, it comes with a lightweight carrying case that allows for easy transport and quick setup, making it a great option for travel. Cleaning is effortless, as the bed can be hosed down or hand-washed with mild soap, ensuring it remains hygienic without the use of bleach or fabric softeners. With dimensions of 30-inch LX24, WX 7 th and a stylish blue design, this practical and comfortable dog bed is an ideal choice for pet owners looking to provide their furry friends with a cool resting place. Number 5. CHEERHUNTING Dog Bed. The CHEERHUNTING waterproof dog mat is an ideal solution for pet owners seeking a durable and versatile sleeping surface for their medium to large dogs. Measuring 51 inches long by 35 inches wide and made from water-resistant Oxford cloth and polyester fill, this mat is designed for both indoor and outdoor use, making it perfect for camping, travel, or as a comfortable crate mat. Its refined stitching ensures durability against scratches and claws, although it is not recommended for aggressive chewers. The mat is easy to clean, with stains easily wiped off, and is machine washable on a gentle cycle. Additionally, it comes with a portable carry bag for convenient transport, allowing pet owners to easily roll up and take the mat on outdoor adventures.